Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a tired landlord list on Propwire. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to find a tired landlord list within a certain area, how you're going to do that with Propwire. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to enter the address here. So we're just going to use this dummy address for Oregon, 97217. And then here you can see it's narrowed us down to 13,485 search results. The next thing that you want to do is you want to click on lead types, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says tired landlords. And if you don't know what a tired landlord is, it's landlords who have owned a rental property for more than 10 years. They're often burned out and ready to accept low cash offers. So if you click on tired landlords, you'll see that our search results have now been narrowed down to 1,009 search results. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way to find tired landlords list on Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you guys all in the next video.